Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss two very important services that are provided by AWS. One is AWS Web Application Firewall. The firewall that takes a lot of time when we are doing it on-premise. So that particular solution is easily provided by AWS. We just need to configure the type of firewalls. And second will be the AWS Shield. So let us start the video. If you are first time on my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So AWS WAF, that is Web Application Firewall, it is very important. It is used to monitor HTTP and HTTPS requests that are forwarded to an Amazon cloud. So where we can use this web application firewall, you can use on a cloud front where user directly interact. You can implement this on a application load balancer. So wherever the user is going to directly interact, wherever a user can harm your application, all those places you can implement this WAF. So Amazon CloudFront distribution, that is the place where a user directly interacts with, that is exposed to user. Amazon API gateway that is provided by AWS, again that is again entry point where you can put this WAF web application firewall. And finally you have a load balancer where which manages all the different EC2 instance. And the main important thing is you can configure CloudFront to return custom error message also, and what all content are accessible you can also manage. So instead of doing manually, we can use this web application firewall for all these management. Second part is the shield. Again, it is again within the web application firewall where we create different access control list where we can define what will be the access method. So it is basically minimize the effects of distributed denial of service. So when we implement this, it will minimize this DDoS attack. It is very common attack where we have like denial of services. The server is so much busy that whenever a new request is sent to the server, it started denying that server. For additional protection against DDoS attacks, we have different Shield Standard and Shield Advanced. And this AWS Shield Standard, that is again included within this WAF, and we don't have to pay extra. So these are the two things whenever you are going to deploy your web application, your APIs, this must be installed. And again, you can install on CloudFront distribution, you can install on load balancer, and finally you can install if you have an API created. So again, the entry point you can install. So friends, this was all about a very important service from AWS, that is AWS Web Application Firewall and AWS Shield. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.